let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Cha-Cha-Cha silver level routine with count. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 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 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Very good, and now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with chasse to right, then check and Ronde Chasse, then underarm turn for lady to right. From here we dance spiral, which consists of 2 bars and finishes in fan position. From fan position we dance hockey stick version with chasse ending, and then we dance syncopated time step in Cha timing and fan to closed position. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we start with chasse to right, turn into check and Ronde Chasse. From here we continue with underarm turn to right for lady. Then we dance spiral, which we finish in fan position. From fan position we continue with hockey stick. Hockey stick ending we dance with chasse. And with Cha timing we continue time step with cross behind and then fan to closed position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.